Outside Luna's cave, the wind began to sing a gentle lullaby. Whoosh, whoosh, sang the wind through the trees. Cricket, cricket, chirped the crickets in their hiding spots.
Cricket, cricket, chirped the crickets in their hiding spots.
Hoo hoo, hoo hoo, called the owl from far away. All of nature was singing Luna to sleep.